Hey guys, I'm here with episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. Before we get started, please feel free to check out my Patreon. There you can get the full and uncut reaction to this episode and other shows I watch as well. And I really do appreciate all of the support. But yeah, episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. So far, I'm really enjoying the show. I really enjoyed the first 2 episodes. I think the main highlight for me right now is the characters. We also got introduced to a lot of new characters last episode. I feel like I'm going to say this a lot, but I feel like the common phrasing for this show that I'm probably going to use a lot is chaotic, which to me personally I really enjoy. But yeah, I'm also really curious to see what you guys think of the show so far. I know it's only been 2 episodes, but in the comments please feel free to let me know if you guys are liking it, and overall just letting me know what you guys think of it so far. But yeah, kind of ended on a somewhat cliffhanger with power, completely just fucking obliterating some devil, I guess. I have absolutely no idea what to expect with this next episode. I think that's part of the thrill of this show is that I have no idea what to expect. But honestly, I feel like that just makes things more fun. But yeah, episode 3. Can't wait to jump into this one. And let's just get started. Oh shit, I think we're picking up right where it ended. Bro, Power went fucking ham there. Would she like use like some type of like blood like thing when she made her like hammer? She's throwing him under the bus. Is she like, if she doesn't do what she says, will she die too, just like how she told Denji that? Oh my god. This is an interesting angle. She's so calm, always, Makino. I feel like pairing 2 like newbies together isn't the brightest idea, but something tells me she's smart. Ooh. Pet Meowy? Is Meowy a cat? Is that where her like background comes from? Well, I guess both of them have like I kind of love that what both of them are fighting for are 2 like very not, you know, heroic elements. They're very like just common human like tropes. Oh my god. So we're kind of on like a personal mission here. Come on, Denji, head in the game. Oh, that's true, they can kind of relate. They both had pets. I didn't even think about that. They have like a little bit of a background. Oh. Though he's being serious. But she is actually in him. That's a little different in this case. I think like 80% of this episode are just going to be him looking there. I didn't even think about how like the rest of the world handles all of this. I wasn't thinking about that at all. If like devils exist and people know it, they can use them for like military, like they said. Like shit. Okay, so she's given the task of recruiting others to see if they can do the same, or if they can utilize the devils and the fiends and things. I mean, when you live in a world like this, it makes complete sense, but that sounds risky. But I think that's where Denji comes from in power. I'm curious too. What does she see in Denji? I know what Denji sees in her. Ooh. Oh, interesting. I mean, cars are kind of feared. Yeah. People are definitely afraid of chainsaws, right? Damn, I like that little lore piece right there. I really love this music.
にはふさわしくないです。それに悪魔と仲良くなれると思ってる。まだガキなんですよ。ガキ。
Maybe a little bit, but I feel like there's more to Denji than meets the eye. Cinematically, this show has been amazing so far. The animation, everything. I really hope Meowy's real. Like, is she like leading him here or? Oh yeah, I forgot. She doesn't even know. Isn't she curious why he got recruited? This is the most ominous looking house I've ever seen. In the middle of nowhere. Oh shit, is she? Is she is she fucking with it? Oh. Oh shit. She's quick. Oh fuck. What are her intentions right now? A little part of me did see this kind of coming, but I'm still surprised. Oh shit. Oh, holy shit, what is that? Oh my god. But he's a devil and a human, so is this not gonna work? Oh my god, he's huge! Oh my god. Pull the cord. Oh shit, oh. Is that easy? That healed him? Fuck. Oh. There's no room to be nice here. Oh wait. Wow, that was like very fast. Oh my god. So he's a bat, right? Yeah, bat devil. So the amount that he's so I kind of like that because some people fear bats, so it's like. Oh, so he actually did have Meowy. Oh damn, that's exactly what she said. Oh. Oh. Where are we now? Well, this is kind of like a sad story. She probably ended up liking him. There's kind of like a parallel between her and Denji. Oh, so is this what happened? Oh. This is so fucking chaotic. Like, what's happening right now? Oh. She did all that for Meowy. I love this music. Oh. Oh. This is like heartbreaking now. What? Did Power just get eaten? No. Oh my god. This guy's fucked up. Oh. You last time? What a line. Oh, he's gonna pull it.
ポチタがいなくなったと
While they're in the air?
朝起きたらポチタはいなくて待てるとポチタは泣きながら俺を待っていた
Oh my
そして
god.
そのまま一緒に寝たのを覚えてるあいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われてどんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう
Oh, so he's not blaming her. Oh, fuck yes. Dude. Oh, hell yeah. I want to see this so bad. Oh, shit. What? This is one of those things where the body just gonna like drop in here or something. Yep. Well, there goes the army just got back. Oh, shit. Okay, so he still has kind of like control. Oh my god. Is he sweating? Dude, this is what I want to see him fight. Oh, listen to the sound effects of like him grunting. You hear like the chainsaw. Damn. So he still like thinks about people. Oh yeah, people are gonna take advantage of that. Damn, he's strong. Oh shit, he can control the chainsaws? He can like retract them? See, we're learning a lot about him right now. Oh. Whoa. Ew, what the fuck is that? Oh shit. This animation looks great. Dude, the combat on this show is gonna be amazing, I can already tell. Like, look at this. Oh my god, I love that. You just hear the faint chainsaw. It looks so fucking badass. Oh. Damn. Okay. This music? Fuck, look at this. It's like that 3D animation too. He's scared. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, fuck this music. Oh my god. Oh, that's a terrible sight. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh, look, that's a thumbnail right there. Just breathes out. Oh my god. Oh shit. Yeah, I heard these are different every time, right? This is like a dark and twisted vibe, I like it. Whoever's in charge of this is a fucking genius. This is so good. Nappa, come on. Damn. Okay, first thing I want to say is the atmosphere and the vibe, especially for that ending credit right there. It's like my vibe. Like right now, the style of this show is like me. I fucking love it. I definitely need to rewatch that ending again because that was good. And the music in this show so far, oh my god. And don't get me started with the animation and the fucking, yeah, I said before, like the cinematography of this episode was great. But the choreography for that fight scene and the animation behind it, like this show is really sticking out for me right now. Like I'm really enjoying myself right now. I mean, highlight of the episode was definitely the end fight. Fucking chainsaw versus a bat devil. Like, didn't see that coming. This show is so fucking chaotic. And I like how the theme behind this episode was the fact that Power was manipulating Denji to help her to find her cat, and then the parallel between him and Pochita. So I feel like Denji and Power have like this common kind of like goal together. I'm assuming she's still alive, right? Like there's no way she's dead. I mean, she's in she's in the ending credits, she's in the opening. I'm assuming she's alive still, even though we just saw her get eaten. And I really hope Meowy's alive too. But if she does make it through this with Denji, I feel like seeing they have like this common goal now, they're gonna be friends after this because now they understand each other and they're gonna respect each other. I hope that's how it goes down. But yeah, I can watch the fighting choreography of this show all day long, paired with the music too. That was so fucking hype and epic. I am really entertained by this show right now. I'm really enjoying it. I cannot wait for these other episodes to come. So like I said, the for lack of better words, like the vibe and the aesthetic of this show hits me hard. Like I love it. It's definitely my vibe. And it's really not something you see often. Like this kind of feeling I'm getting with this show right now. Like I've been told before that this is kind of like a indie version of an anime, which to me is the most appealing thing I could ever hear. But yeah, I mean, we're only in episode 3 and I'm already like loving the style. Like that fight scene at the end right there versus the Bat Devil. Oh my god, I cannot wait to see Denji do more things. And I like how we're like learning more about his abilities through his fights too. Like he can retract the chainsaws. And he's got apparently like superhuman strength now too. And other more good insight is the whole devil premise of the more feared of a thing you are, the stronger that devil would be. So it only makes sense that like, you know, chainsaws are pretty fearful. Like he would be strong. And like a bat, like he's a bat. People are afraid of bats, so it makes him stronger too. So I really like that premise that, you know, the more feared the thing is, the stronger the devil version of it would be. And I really do like Power's character. I know she kind of manipulated him a little bit, and we got some good insight to her backstory a little bit there too. But I still really like her character. And I love Denji, obviously. I already loved him before. It's only been like 3 episodes, and I'm already like really loving these characters. But again, I really do just love that premise of the whole, these characters, our like main protagonists right now, the things that they're fighting for aren't these like otherworldly, heroic, you know, goals set in mind of saving the world or anything. Like it's just as small as just human wants and desires, you know, just these little things that really do, it just feels so like realistic and grounded. But I mean, like in our world, we don't have like these devils, like bat devils, chainsaw devils. We don't have these things. So it's, you know, it's not like the most relatable concept, but when you throw in something there, like something, a small little like desire of something to fight for that's relatable, that, you know, it's just what I'm trying to say is the things that they're fighting for are like more realistic goals and expectations in the real world, and it's like it's more relatable. So I just really love that whole thing where, you know, she's like fighting for her cat, he was fighting kind of for Pochita and being with a woman. They're very realistic goals that like a common person would go for. It's not this, you know, overachieving heroic scheme of anything. It's just, it's very simple and it's very grounded and it's very realistic. But yeah, that's just something I noticed so far with the show that I really enjoy, just the theme behind that. And overall, man, I can't get over the music of this episode too, the fighting, animation. Mappa's doing fucking amazing. It's only been 3 episodes. There's still so much to happen, but as far as the 3rd episode goes, that was pretty damn good. And we did get a little bit of like insight and backstory to some of these characters. But overall, really love Denji. I like Power. I like these characters a lot. Still need to learn more lore. This was definitely like a good focus episode of, I feel like, the duo between these 2 characters, but also showing off Denji's abilities a little more. Like he fucking took that bat out like it was nothing. That was fucking epic. I cannot wait to watch more of that. But yeah, overall, really enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Please let me know what you guys thought of it. Really entertained by this show right now. It definitely fits my vibe, and I can't wait to watch next week's episode. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys for the next episode of Chainsaw Man. Have a good one, guys.